Alright, so today I'm bringing y'all a short little video of me changing my the brake light. It's actually pretty exciting because this is the first time that a brand has reached out to me, well, a company has reached out to me and told me that a company reached out to me and they told me that they wanted to send me a part. They wanted to send me a part for me to do a review on. So that's what they sent me. They sent me a brake light right here. The brand is called JoyTutus. JoyTutus. I don't know how to pronounce it exactly, but I'll put the link down in the description. You ought to go check them out. But yeah, they sent me the brake light right here, and they want me to do a review on it, an installation process. So that's what I'm gonna bring for y'all today. So yeah, we're gonna unbox it right now. Well, I already opened the box kind of. I'm just gonna take it out of the box and yeah, I'm gonna show you. Right, so this is how it comes in this box right here, and then it comes in another box. See, it comes in. Yeah, here we have the brake light. Excuse the dogs in the background, but here we go. Here it is. It doesn't come with both. It has LEDs on. Here's the power cord. Cool, simple, clean, looks brand new. I actually needed it because the other one I have has cracks on it. I don't know if it has water. But as I was saying, the other one has cracks on it and stuff. So yeah, I could actually use a new one. So they came in clutch. But yeah, I'm about to show you the installation and how it looks. Bolts, pretty easy. You just take this out. You gotta unclip this part right here. You got it out, pretty much just slides out. Oh, kind of struggling, but it just slides out. Yeah, I'm about to put in the new one. This goes plugged in the same way. Take out the other one. Just hear a click, you know you got it in. Things in. I should probably take out the plastic first. Little case in there. A little damage right here, but nothing. Yeah, I'm gonna set that up and I'm gonna do this part real quick. So the camera actually cut off, but you can see I have it all installed. It's having a couple of alignment issues, but I got it on. As you can see, it looks way better than that old cracked one. I guess this one has LEDs too, I think. There might be little bulbs, but see these right here. See, I'm about to show you what they look like right now in the day while they're still light, and then I'm gonna show you what it looks like at night. Alright, y'all, so after some technical difficulties, I'm about to show y'all what the light looks like right now during the day. It's the brake light, and then I don't know if I said it was a reverse light or there, but I guess it's just a light to light up the bed. So yeah, I'm about to show y'all what it looks like right now in the day, and then later on I'm gonna record what it looks like in the night. So yeah. like at night. As y'all can see, it's pretty much dark now. It's a little bit of light left since it's still setting, but it's pretty much dark enough for me to show y'all. And it's dark right there, so I can see what it looks like in the dark. So yeah, I'm gonna set up the phone and I'm gonna let y'all see. Bring out the up close. As y'all can see, it's really bright. I have to bring down the brightness on the camera because too much glare from it. Yeah, that's the white light. Again, I can't really. Oh, here I put down the brightness, so see a little bit better. But yeah, I can't really do the brake right now because I don't have nobody to press on the brake for me, for up close at least. Pretty sure I can see it from further away though. Distance. So much lights up in the bed. That's a pretty good amount. I mean, you can clearly see in there. So yeah, I would definitely recommend one from the JoyTutus website if y'all are looking for one. Alright, so that's gonna be it for this video. Just a plain, just a cool, simple, short and simple video of the part that the company JoyTutus sent to me. The link will be in the description. And yeah, shout out to them. Shout out to Hester, I think it's pronounced. Sorry if I'm mispronouncing it, but shout out to Hester for reaching out to me and giving me the opportunity, to get my first. This is the first milestone. I was pretty happy when I received it, but yeah, shout out to the brand JoyTutus. Thank y'all for watching the video, and like it if y'all liked it, and dislike it if y'all thought it was ass.